Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a savory cheddar cheese bread. Need I say more? I think not. This bread comes together very quickly. You can make it in your bread machine if you have one of those. You can make it in your mixer. You could make this by hand. It has 2 resting periods and not that many ingredients, so comes together quickly, and we're just gonna throw it together and into the oven it goes, and it should be, I've never tried it before, it should be delicious. It also gives me the opportunity to come up with these lyrics. Cheese and then more cheese, in scones and in bread as you please. Shred some more, is this a tease? I've loved my bread that way. Oh, let's be honest, I just love bread. And adding cheese makes it extra special. Start by mixing your dry ingredients. Here we have all-purpose flour. Add in your salt, sugar. Here I have some cheese powder. If you don't have any, that's okay. You can use Parmesan cheese instead. Mix that together. Transfer to your mixing bowl or your surface, however you're doing this. Add in your yeast. Stir that around just a little bit. Add in your shredded cheddar cheese. Shred by hand. Mix together best you can. It doesn't have to be exact right now. It's all right. It's all gonna come together. Add in your lukewarm milk. Mix together. Let it knead for 5 to 7 minutes. It should be smooth and bouncy. It looks very smooth, it feels smooth, and you see it bounce back? That's what you want. So I'm gonna move it over to a lightly greased bowl. I could have kept it in the original bowl, but I'm just gonna move it over. Cover for about an hour or so. It should almost double in size. This definitely doubled in size. Look at that. Now let's shape it into a loaf. This is an 8.5 by 4.5 pan, which I have lightly greased here. Go ahead and place your dough shaped into a log in here, and we're gonna wait till this rises again. The recipe says that it should crest the edge of the pan by about 1 inch. So let's see what happens in an hour, and we'll go from there. A half hour before your dough finishes rising, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This is after an hour, and it's the rise that you want. So now let's see if this plastic wrap comes off easily, which it does, yay! Into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes until it's a golden brown and the interior reaches 190 degrees. Time's up, let's check the temperature. See, we are looking for 190. We are there. See if we can turn it out right now and let it cool completely out of the pan. Let this cool completely, about ½ hour to 1 hour, and then we can slice it. Time to cut the loaf. Oh, look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at this lovely cheese bread. Mmm. Smells like a delicious bread, but it's all in the taste. I'm thrilled with how it baked. Let's take a bite. This warms my heart with cheese because it is cheesy delicious. I totally taste the cheese in the cheese bread, and it is fantastic. Yum. If I can make this savory cheddar cheese bread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep those song requests coming, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.